With landscape lighting, there's so many potential problems that could happen with wiring, with connections, with the light fixture themselves, with moisture, with electronics, with the LEDs, with heat sinking. There's so many things that can go wrong. And what happens is if we're designing systems that are on average 30 to 40 luminaires on a project, and if one of those goes out, that's a service call. That's a 2 to 3 hour commitment from my company. So as we're doing 5 or 10 installations a week every week, and 10 years or 15 years or 20 years goes by, we could build up such a monstrosity, so many times where every day we could be having 5, 10, 15 service calls come in. So Sterling Lighting came in with the idea of we need to make the products that are reliable. So all the things we had to really test to make sure moisture wouldn't get into our lights. We had to overbuild the electronics on our engineering side. We had to use better quality LEDs, better optics, all that. But then we needed to really construct the fixtures so that they are very easy to service and can be taken care of very quickly. So that was all things that went into the engineering and the design to help me build my business and to help all our customers at Sterling Lighting build their businesses.